Other news today, LAUSD is the nation's second largest school district with over 600,000 students. Now, Alberto Carvalho is officially taken over as superintendent and this week touring campuses. A lot of parents, students and teachers want to know where he stands and plans to take the district.
Well, the new superintendent joins us live right now to share his vision and talk about the challenges ahead. Welcome, Superintendent.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for the opportunity. And let me tell you, first of all, go Dodgers, go Rams. Now let's focus on the third biggest winning team in our community, LAUSD.
There you go. We love it. Yeah, we need to have a parade too, right? Remember that.
But, absolutely. Look,
Superintendent, you had 13 years with Miami-Dade schools and a lot of accomplishments. So what are some of your biggest priorities now for LAUSD?
Look, I think the priorities for LAUSD right now are the same priorities specific to most urban districts across the country. Number one, accelerate every kid towards their full academic potential, recognizing the detrimental impact that the pandemic has had on their ability to learn, specifically reading and writing and mathematics and science. Secondly, attendance has improved but continues to lag what it was prior to the pandemic. We need kids back in school. That's the best way to learn. Thirdly, we need to brace ourselves, obviously, for the transitions as conditions improve in our schools. I know there's a lot of dynamic discussion around the use of masks. I want to declare that yesterday was the very first day that I was in the office visiting schools, and when we received the information from the county specific to the new protocol for outdoor masking. Expect us, after significant consultation with our medical advisors, to revise our protocols going into next week. And then longer term issues, boosting graduation rates. There's no reason as to why Los Angeles should not be outperforming the country. The potential is here. And then lastly, we are benefiting from significant federal investments. There are sustaining educational programs and staff at LAUSD. Let's plan in advance for the sunsetting of those funds without an impact to programs or the great staff in our school system.
Well, Superintendent, we've done stories here on how the district lacked the tools for remote learning. A lot of students didn't have computers for Zoom meetings, no Wi-Fi. This is, of course, before you came here. But how will you address the learning loss that occurred during the pandemic?
The strategies to deal with learning loss are well known across the country. You need more time on task, before and after school programs, a clear understanding of the students' social and emotional needs that are impairing them from adequately learn the subject areas. Greater engagement of parents so that parents are making the right decisions for the students. We have right now in City of Angels a lot of students that probably could benefit from a change to the modality of learning that they're engaged in. Expanding the school year with additional instructional days for students and additional professional support for those who inspire them every single day, our teachers. And then looking at better technological tools that meet students where they are and accelerate their own learning. That is why I'll be launching very soon a 100-day transition plan with action steps that include, in fact, a revamping and retooling of our technology tools with new, sophisticated digital content that allows for students to be connected to their learning 24/7, anytime, anywhere.
Well, this has been top of mind with parents as well, Superintendent. Today, the county lifted its outdoor mask mandate for K through 12 schools, but you're planning to keep it in place a little while longer. When might that change?
So as I said earlier, we were a bit surprised yesterday with the announcement from the county. I certainly hope that in months and years to come, there's greater collaboration, because if I'm a parent and I hear an announcement specific to masks, as a parent, I'm going to assume that this is quite frankly, a message that applies to all environments in Los Angeles. So I commit to working collaboratively with entities at the county level, at the state and federally. What I can tell you at this point is that we will move in a parallel track to meet the current protocol that was announced by the county. We need to effectively communicate with our parents, our leaders, our principals, our support staff, so that everyone is on the same page. It is not as easy as informing the community that county-wide the masks outdoors can come off. So I expect to, after consultation with the medical experts, to make an announcement for immediate effect early next week.
All right, you got it. Jeff and I have so many more questions for you. We hope we have to have you back, Superintendent, but we want to thank you for joining us this evening.
Thank you very much. I hope you afford me that opportunity. Thank you.
Yes.